All right, boys and girls, so now we're going to work on science. Lesson 2, we are still in our new chapter, Earth and Sky. And the lesson is, what can you see in the day sky? So we're going to read first, and then we're going to look at the picture and answer some questions. And we have 2 vocabulary words for this lesson, which are sun and day. All right. You can see clouds and the sun in the day sky. Sometimes you can see the moon in the day sky. Tell about objects in the day sky. All right, so let's look at this page. What do you see in the sky? Well, you see the sun. What else do you see? Some clouds, right? Well, how do you know this is a daytime sky? How do you know? Well, because you see the sun, right? The sun is only out during the day. But there's other things that we're going to see in the sky that might make you wonder whether it's daytime. So it says, when is the sun in the sky? The sun is in the sky only during the day, right? What else can you see in the daytime sky? So we said we saw clouds, right? And sometimes you can see, what did it say? The moon, right? You could see like a light shade of the moon. So it is daytime, but you cannot see the sun. Let's think about this. So it is daytime, but you cannot see the sun. Now, why do you think you can't see the sun? Well, probably because it's cloudy, right? And if it's cloudy, then the sun is behind the clouds, right? Or if it's daytime and you can't see the sun, maybe it's raining, right? So there's different times when it is daytime that we might not see the sun. And well, it'll be cloudy or it'll be rainy, but it's still daytime, even if the sun is not out. Another question. How could you tell that it is daytime if you saw the moon in the daytime sky? How would you be able to tell that it is daytime if you saw the moon? Well, the sky would be light blue, first of all, right? It would be a light blue or kind of bright blue, and it would be light outside. So you would know that it's not night because the sky is still bright, and you might see clouds, or you might see the sun, right? In another part of the sky, even though you could still see the moon. All right, think about this. When you look up at the sky, do you ever see other things besides the sun, clouds, or moon? What is something else that you might see in the sky that is not the sun, the clouds, or the moon? What else could be in the sky? Well, there could be birds in the sky, there could be planes, balloons, or rain, or if you're somewhere where it snows, you might see snow. All right, so I hope that you can tell the difference between the day sky and whether or not if you see the moon, right, it still doesn't mean that it's not daytime if the sky is light blue. All right, so then you're going to turn to the back and you're going to work on this activity page. And it says, what can you see in the day sky? Okay, what can you see in the day sky? So you're going to look at all these pictures and you're going to circle the objects that you might see in the day sky. Remember, you're circling pictures of things you see in the sky. All right, and when you're done with this page, then take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay, good job, boys and girls.